the best game ever!
Wait for me, I'm almost there. Huh? What's the matter, buddy? Are you gonna get the Sprite?
Oh, hey! Sorry, I was miles away. What's up? Hey, look over there! I think someone's watching us.
Where? I don't see anyone.
They must be shy. Maybe we should go say hello? Hi there. We saw you from over there. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Hey, Sparky, come on out. The bubbles are great today.
Yeah, we saved a spot for you.
Look how high the bubble goes!
Wow, catch it before it floats away. Ta-da! Pretty slick, right? Wow, look at that glow!
It's beautiful! You did it!
I'm so happy for you.
Everybody bounce, bounce, follow the leader now. We're bouncing in the meadow, look at us go.
Let's go!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Just a little flick of the wrist, and whoosh! See? Now you try it, buddy!
Wow, I caught it! Here it comes, Mouse.
All right, throw it over here, Sponge.
Look at how it shines.
Go ahead, give it a try.
Okay, here I go. Wow, look at that!
It's amazing!
We did it! There you go. Nice and safe.
You almost got us.
Whoa! Look at that one! It's shaped just like you! Quick, let's get it before it floats away!
And boom! Perfectly done! That was incredible, old pal! Behold, the golden spatula! My culinary masterpiece awaits! Wow! Did you see that? That was incredible, old buddy! And that's how you flip a Krabby Patty? With pizzazz!
Wait a second, what is that? Hey, Sparky, don't look so blue. We've got the whole meadow to explore.
I've got it. Watch this. I'll flip him happy with my spatula. Don't you worry. I've got just the thing to bring the sparkle back. Watch this. That's it! Keep it up! We're doing it!
Look, it's working! You made him smile!
Ready for the return, Scout?
You know I am. Watch the footwork. Look! Look! It's working! There he is!
You're back! We're so glad to see you!
You can't catch it, Sparky.
Keep going! He's almost got it! thinking? What I'm thinking? I have an idea.
And with this bubble wand, we can explore the kelp caves.
The kelp caves.
Oh boy, let's go!
Oh? What is it, friend?
I've got it! The adventure starts now!
Behold, the bubble wand! Our adventure begins now! We're going on an adventure to the Technicolor meadow! Oh, wow, really? That's amazing! Let's do it! Wow, that's the biggest one you've ever made! Huh? Oh. You and me, shall we go?
Wow, the colors! It's beautiful inside. Come on, let's explore. Wow, look at us go! We're really moving now.
The bubble wand worked!
Ready for adventure, everyone?
Let's go! Wow, look at us go! This is the best adventure ever!
Are you ready for the snacks?
Almost.
Look down there. Wow, look at that! It's beautiful! So colorful!
This was a wonderful idea. It's beautiful here. Wow, look at this place. We finally made it, all thanks to you, buddy.
Look what I found! A golden star fruit! Wow, it's amazing! Can I have some?
Go ahead, take it. It's the sweetest thing in the meadow. I have an idea. Oh? Friend? What is it, friend? We're going on an adventure to the Technicolor meadow. Wow, that's the biggest one you've ever made. This was a wonderful idea. It's beautiful here.